Yo guys, welcome back to another Ableton quickfire tutorial. This one's all about parallel compression. So what is parallel compression? Parallel compression is basically, like the name suggests, you run compression parallel to your original audio sound or signal. And with the compression you run in parallel to your original sound, it's typically hard as fuck, just all the values cranked up to 100. So you end up with the squashed, meaty compression sound. And then once you've done that, you balance it between your original sound and your Hundy's compressed sound. And then, yeah, it just brings your drums to life, makes them larger, fatter, without using the sausage fattener. But yeah, you get the gist of it. So yeah, enough said, and let's check this out. So here's a little drum loop we got going on so far. So just right click here and do insert return track. Expand this right here, alright. And then yeah, just drag in a compressor. Like so. And like I said at the beginning of the video, it's just Hundy's value. Obviously the compression you dial in is totally up to you, but I always like to go Hundy's on this if it is parallel compression. So with that being said, ratio, infinite to 1, attack, kind of quick, release, yeah, about there. Turn makeup gain off, and then absolutely just drop that threshold like so. Let's see if we can solo this return track. And from here we'll go up to our drum bus and see those three little sends right here. So they send a split of your sound directly to these three channels right here. So you can run effects in parallel with your original sound. So this is great for like reverb, ping pong delay, and parallel compression. So what we will do is turn up this third send, which will go to the third return. And like so, crank that up, and then let's hear it, but we can't hear anything because it's just getting absolutely demolished right now. Okay, so we're also going to drag in a utility on top of that because it is fairly quiet still, and just going to turn up the gain. So as you can hear with that, it's absolutely demolished. It's just squished and sounding absolutely amazing right now. No, it's not. It's just so squished, so compressed. And then from here, let's unsolo this and run the two channels together. So it's sounding meatier, it's sounding fat, it's been lifting weights at the gym. It's just a little bit too in your face. So since it is a channel, we can just drag the volume down like this. So this was before we did our parallel compression. Not bad, not bad. Let's dial in the parallel compression. Since it's compressed to days, the quiet parts in the drum loop that we've got going on here are obviously being forced up and up and up in volume. So then it's kind of leveled out with the loud bits of the kick and loud bits of the snare. So it has less dynamics overall. It's just a fatter sound, really. Also, one more thing, if you didn't want to do this to just all your drums in general, remember to just turn that down, and then maybe I wanted to add a little bit more parallel compression to the kick, so I'll go ahead and dial that up a bit. Like here, and then a bit more parallel compression with the snare as well. Just dial it in here. Maybe the hat might get a bit of the parallel compression as well. Before we had the loop kind of being forced up to the same level with the kick and the snare. Now it's down in the mix and we have a lot more control over the parallel compression overall. So yeah, hopefully you guys learned a little something in this tutorial, and I guess I'll catch you guys next time. See ya.